So we are back at Fort Aguada where we came the first day, and there's another spot somewhere further on which is called Devil's Finger. So we are trying to go there today. We have never been over there, only seen it like on Instagram and on Google. So we're trying to follow the maps and reach over there.
Where is reversing?
Again with my guide Hazel.
Today you're the guide.
Okay, so we had gone the wrong way earlier. Like we went to Aguada Fort, the one which is near Sikeri beach. We thought we can go walking from there, but that's not what it is. So we came back. So you have to come till Aguada jail, and then from Aguada jail there is a footpath or like through the jungle. So we are following that path now. I'm not sure if we're going to land there. I asked one guard outside, is there a viewpoint somewhere down? He's saying yes. So I'm hoping it's here only. So we reached this point, but now we're going to walk further down so that we can reach the rocks.
Like you can go Ghasargundi down, yeah?
Auntie wants to go Ghasargundi down.
You can get one of those slide and you can just slide down.
Chalo.
Chalo.
Okay, so there is another path and we are just following the path. There are people also in front, and the thing which I saw was like all rocks, and it was like a plateau, like full rocky. But once you're on it, it was very beautiful, and I'm trying to go there, and I hope we are able to. Okay, there's nothing over here. I mean, there is something very beautiful over here, but it's not that thing which I had seen. I think the thing which I had seen, the rocks where I was supposed to go, if you put Devil's Finger on Google, you can see black rocks and then you can see the ocean. I think it is that part over there, and right now because it is high tide, that's why you can't really go there. But also this view is very beautiful and very pretty from here. Very adventurous lady.
What else?
That's
Now
it.
we're gonna
And now we're going to do some adventure if we get to.
we're going to do
Gasarpatti. Gasargundi. Oh, so we reached this another spot, and I don't know if this is the dead end again, but where I wanted to go, this doesn't seem like that. Let me see. Okay, so when we reached there and we walked further, we had to cross one small jungle path. I was trying to record, but by mistake I did it in fast mode, and that's why I couldn't record here. So there is this jungle path which we had to cross, and after this we reached another beautiful location. From there the view was superb, and that is, I'm going to show it at the end of the video, because I want to show you after this we were trying to go down. Okay, so what we were trying to do is to go to the other hill which we could see that side, and also we were trying to figure out a way to go down to the rocks, but unfortunately the way from here was blocked, and to go to the other hill you have to go from the other side, that is from Fort Aguada and not from the jail. But later on we realized to go down to the hill, there was like a path right before this, this forest. So when we turned and returned back, we just were sitting and chilling at this beautiful spot which you're going to see very soon. It was lovely, it was so heavenly, and we didn't feel like going down because we thought the view was better on top over there.
That side, how people have gone there.
Okay guys, I don't know how people went that side, but we went halfway and it seems like it's blocked, so we're going back. So if you happen to visit North Goa, do visit this place. It's in Kandolim. I will be giving the direction in my description. It's a very easy trek and a very beautiful place. But please clean up all your mess before you leave the place.